Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 5th of exercise 11.4, and question number 5th is you have to find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So because here they are talking about the volume, so we have to use the formula for the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h, and volume is given as 1.54 meter cube. The value of pi should be 22/7, and radius, here the diameter is 140 centimeter. Diameter is equals to 140 centimeter. So clearly radius should be half of the diameter, which is 70 centimeters. And because here the volume is in meter cube, so let's convert this into meters. So clearly we know that when we are converting centimeter into meters, we have to divide it by 100, and so obviously 70 centimeters should be equals to 0.70 meters. So radius should be 0.70 whole square into h. You have to find its height. So solving this is 154/100. This would be 22/7, and this can be written as 0.70 upon, we can remove this, and this would be 100, and again this would be 100 multiplied with h. Now this 100 can be cancelled with this 100. We know that when they are fractions on both sides of the equals to side, numerator and numerator can be cancelled out, and denominator can be cancelled out, and this 0 can be cancelled with this, 7 can be cancelled with this 7, and this 0 can be cancelled with this. And if we further solve it, this would be h. Here it would be 154, and 22/7 would be on the denominator. The 7 can be cancelled, 7 to 14 and 2, and this would be, so height should be 1. So our height for the cylinder must be equals to 1 meters. So this is how you can solve this particular question.